Okay, seems like this is working. Let's get started. Okay, so I've started this. Here's what I got. Let me get the video ID. My stream real quick. I need to go here. And I can get this. And then I can just paste it. That works like that. Theoretically, if I do should add a username. See if it works. Let's check. It's not working, is it? I don't think it's working. See if it adds if it's just normal. It's not detecting anything. That's weird. Oh, I see. It's getting the wrong video ID. Video how to deal with that. We shut this down. Python this. I had the wrong stream. Okay. And then if I do add, theoretically, yep, it did it. There you go. Let's make that text a little bigger. Wait, I don't think, see, here's something, so like, it should be adding a new username. Why is it constantly printing 0? Times user count plus 8. Let's see what happens if I do it again. What if I just do random string of text? Does it detect? Are we being detected? Hold on. Oops. Yep, we're not being detected for some reason. So maybe that's good. Maybe that's a good thing, cause like it's working. Does it add? No, it just shifts the X position. Doesn't add a new. We're gonna make a for loop. For user in range user count, let's do user. Let's, I don't know, freaking 80. So I don't know how margin works. Why is it printing 0, 1, 0? Is this true and false? Whatever. It's a close pie game. Let's run it again. Does that. Let's try running string of text again. Does not work. Good. Wait. I'm still using Stan's code. Okay, good. It only adds if someone says .add. I mean, exclamation point add. So it just uses that command. So my command system works good. It works! Guys, it works. It works. I did it. Okay, good. Let's change that margin. Let's actually make a variable user margin. Let's do 500. That's what I'm thinking. Plus user margin. Ah, I'm so glad this works. Good. Let's do the process again. Dot add. Why do I keep saying dot add? Oh, didn't register. That's not good. It's not working. Oh no, it's not working. Not good. Let's change that text real quick. It shouldn't say replying. Print. Why isn't it working no more? Too many dot ads, maybe? Oh, that works. Does it? I don't know. Can't tell if it's working or not. Why is it so slow with it? Can't tell if it's working or not. Come on, there's a dot add. If we change it back to 80, would it work? Once again? Or is it just because I'm using a variable? Because I've had that happen before. Maybe because I'm using a variable. It stops working. Could be messing with the time system. It's not used a variable, just change it. I'm just gonna actually get rid of that time I changed it to variable. Because it was working for a minute. This could be a Pygame problem. Maybe Pygame's stopping it from working. Or is there just too many dot ads? Gave it time to run, so. Yep. It's because I was using a variable. That's why. If I do it again. If I do it again. So it's just overall just slow with it. Is that... Do I got that right? Let's get rid of the time not sleep. See, this is the original code that worked. I'm not understanding. And there's definitely an issue. Yeah. Remove the time not sleep. So we shouldn't sleep before it adds a new person. There we go. Good. Change the margin again. Gonna actually set user the X to 20. And that margin, we're gonna set that to 300. Is that too far though? Could be. I don't know. Let's test it. See, it's back working again. I just wanna. I can't say that enough. That it's working again. Okay, detected it. Do it again. Okay, that's not good. Not at all, but okay. It should just be creating a new user. Maybe the smaller the number, maybe? What do you think? I'm not really talking to anybody. I'm talking to myself, but, you know. Okay, detected that. I don't understand. Because it's also moving the X and Y. I don't get why that's happening. Times 100. Maybe if we change the operation, it should work. Holy moly. It's not working. Dang it. So that doesn't work. Okay. Good. Okay, adds that. Okay, that's not promising though. It's not. I have an idea. So we're gonna change that back. Change this back to 80. But I have an idea. We're gonna make it huge. I gotta figure out how to do it. Let's not use font tiny. Let's use font. We're just gonna use the biggest font. Then, even though it's smaller, even though it's not a huge margin, it'll be huge. So it gives off that idea. Yeah. I'm so smart. I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'm tired. Adds another fellow. So theoretically, we can change this to maybe something like 150. So it's a good size. It's perfect. I'm glad I chose that. You know, there's other solutions for this. There's definitely other solutions. But guess what? I don't care. I'm like making my own. Because I need to have direct access. It's just overlaying it now. That's not good. And then just changing that X and Y. Let's just go off on a stretch here. Because I hate having to restart it. I just want it to work first try. It's not working. Times 80 plus user. Hold on, guys. Let me cook. I'm not saying that again. Promising, very promising. Oh, I think it worked. I think I got it. Just had them switched around. Then I'm just gonna add a system, just so people can't spam it. Come on, don't do me that. Don't do me that. Go. Yes, it works. Just keep changing that margin. Then we're gonna try three people. Oh crap. Let's wait a second before we add another user. There we go. Okay. Let's add a new person. Let's add a third person. No. Does it break at 3 people? No, it doesn't. Oh shoot. Just realized that huge thing here. This is gonna get smaller and smaller. This little margin here, it's gonna get smaller and smaller. So we have to change this into something that's not gonna make that happen. So 600. So when it eventually reaches the end and goes to the next column, then yeah. I may have overshot that by a huge margin, but it's whatever. Are you going to add the first person? There we go. Add Then, wait a second, another ad. Whole chat's filling up with just ads. Ooh. Overshot that by a bunch. Let's just go 500. 500. Something tells me if I just throw out 3, it registered it. Does that work? Well, technically this is spam protection, so good. Can't spam it a bunch of times. I'm also gonna add a thing where, like, if the user was already seen. I'm kind of overshooting this. Because I want it to look good still. Do you think that margin will hurt anybody? I'm not sure. It's just gonna be in, like, it's like it's gonna be in beta or something. Forgot which one. Not good. Wasn't 400 already our problem? Oh, it's printing out how many users are there already, isn't it? Or is it printing out the user count? I can't tell. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's going to go over. $50. Perfect. Let's fill out these 2 more spaces. Looking good. You know what? It works. I'll take it. Now, I need to make a thing where if this happens, if it's off screen, it sends the rest of the users down here, which I have no idea how to do. I'm gonna do something so insecure. Not insecure, but like so not. Oh, I wanted to test if you can put. Aw, dang it. My mic was muted. My mic was muted in that scene. But I was just testing out if you could do Pygame windows. Then if I close down the Pygame window, and if I open it back, it would bring it back, right? Yep. Good. Good, good, good. So then I can just reset it. Oh, I like how this looks. So my thought is, okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. So let's switch the scene back. We do if user count greater than equal to, is that the greater than sign? Ah, dang it, forgot my math operators. Oh yeah, that's greater than. Okay. Greater than equal to, greater than or equal to 7, I believe. We're gonna blit the rest. It's gonna be make it real slow, but I don't care. Screen out blit. We're just changing the X. We have to bring that X all the way down to something like 500. I don't really know what to do there. Let's just see if it works. Let's close this. We did it. Kinda. Dang it. Ooh. I have an idea. We're going to how about this? I'm gonna take grid logic. Where is the grid logic? So my thought process is I'm gonna keep this. I'm trying a different approach at it. So I'm gonna do it like a grid. So yeah. We blitz all this. We implement our username logic to it. See if this even works first. Okay, no errors. Good. So that works. Now, how am I gonna do this? Plus user times 400 maybe? I really hope this works, dude. If we do add, come on. Ah, jeez. It fills the whole thing. It's good that it does that, kinda. Well, we needed to do it based off of users. And then I'm probably have to replace back. Just gonna put it here. Sure, that's not doing that. No. It's not how that's supposed to work. So let's do times user. Also, why is it adding multiple? Not good. Not good. Thinking. I have an idea. No, I don't. Let me drink some water. What shall I do? User, maybe. Just have to change some stuff around. I can tell we're close. I'm gonna take just times user. So my system was obviously not working. It's like they do it in a grid type of way. Now it's just adding too many. He's adding way too many. That's my issue. In a way, it works. continue this tomorrow. Actually, I don't know what to do with this. Yeah, I'll continue the stream.